Okay, we're gonna get started. Hey guys, thank you so much for coming. This is so awesome that there's so many people passionate about this industry. The automotive industry, the EV sector, so much energy in this room, so many, who knew there's that many EV models on the road today? Like, it's hard to believe that you're on Facebook and you still see people who are like, oh, that's stupid. What? Like, they need to pay attention, right? Because it's here. It's here, and if you're not on the wave, you're missing it. All right, we're here at the San Diego Unified School Districts Teachers Conference. Greg Q and Omar Sevilla have been putting this event on for over 10 years, and this is by far the largest turnout. We got over 150 registered attendees here. But with that being said, we also have OEM representation from Rivian. We have Porsche here. We have the Tesla with the Cybertruck, and then we have our locals. We got Revolt Systems. We've got Charge Positive, and as always, our boys from Current showed up to support us with the 1957 Bell EV. Now, today, what we're going to do is we're going to swap out the battery pack in the Teslamino. So she's going to get an upgrade to a 100 kilowatt pack. So let's go inside. We'll show you a little bit of what's going on here, and we'll touch base with you guys here in just a little bit. I wish I had had a shop like this when I was in high school. So they've got multiple bays, and notice everything in here is all EVs, but this is what's going into the pack. So, hey, this is the man of the hour right here.
Hey.
All right, Greg. Hey, thanks, man. Now,
what is it, grow grass with snow or something? Oh, gas and go. Okay.
Yeah, it's gas and go.
Oh, okay.
Got him! But I told Danny Boy that in the 10-year history of this event, this is the biggest one yet, over 150
every year they're
attendees.
bigger and bigger. Yep.
So tell me a little bit about what's going on here.
So today we're hosting Charged Up. It's the first electric vehicle educators conference, probably in the nation. But there's a lot of workshops for educators, but there's nothing specific for automotive.
Okay.
That is going to get them into the electric vehicle side of the world, right?
Right.
So as technology improves and we see all these vehicles, whether it's a Prius or whether it's a Tesla, as auto technicians, and especially teaching our youth, we need to prepare them for this. So that's what it's here. We've got a lot of OEMs, independents. We've got a lot of great automotive representation here today supporting and standing behind it. And this is a symbolic moment because in this auto shop today, every single vehicle inside this shop is an EV.
No way. That's a 57 Chevy.
I know it's 57 Chevy, but we know that it's been converted. And it's, this has a modern electric vehicle power plant in it, very much like the Mustang over here.
What about that 65 Mustang?
65 Mustang, same thing. It's basically a 2020 Tesla, right? And so it's a great way there's a good way to really showcase and help people understand where we're going, what we're going to do next.
All right. Hey, thanks, man.
All right.
Appreciate that.
All right. I'll go make some noise with Matt.
Come here. Come on over here. All right. All right. So, Mr. G.
Yeah.
All right. Give me your take on what's going on here today.
Oh, this is about options.
Yeah.
The mechanical layer stays there. It's not about EV or gas or diesel or turbine or nuclear. It's just about options. So you got the mechanical layer and then you have the computer digital layer. But the main theme is power mechanics.
Yeah.
That's the plaque on the wall for my shop. So if you're a power mechanics teacher, you want to give your students option. I'm so excited to see this pack swap. Is that coming up during lunch?
Yep, it's coming up
That's
soon.
That's going to be awesome.
But my understanding is you're going to help us do it.
Yeah, I'm ready.
All right.
Let's do it.
Sounds good. All right.
Cool.
This is a 100 kilowatt battery pack out of a Tesla. This is what's going into the Teslamino. So we're going to drop that 75 pack that's in there and put the 100 pack in.
All right, so we got everybody gathering around. So this is a Model T. They don't make these. This is a Teslamino. It's kind of our shop truck. It's been around for a while, I don't know, 4 or 5 years. I know that Elon probably copied our idea, so I'm going to take full credit for that one. So this is one of our chop vehicles. It is originally it was an 85 kilowatt pack. My wife needed a new battery, and she got the 100 pack when I upgraded this car. Actually, I downgraded this car down to a 75. So she had a 75. This car had a faulty battery pack that flooded, so it actually got moisture inside of it. I tried to take it to Tesla, and well, they threw me off the parking lot. Exactly. They don't really like this car. So basically, I have to do all the maintenance on this vehicle myself. And today, what we're trying to do is take away the stigma of working on an EV. Now, a lot of you guys are scared, don't want to touch this. Trust me, so was I the first time I got into this. But I kind of like this pile of rubbish, and it's been good to us. So what we're doing today, as I said, we're taking a 75 kilowatt pack and we're upgrading with a 100 kilowatt pack. That pack, as you can see, is sitting behind the vehicle. That came out of a wrecking yard too, but we tested the battery to make sure it's okay and working. So what we're going to do today is we're going to drop the pack out of it and we're going to swap it with a brand new battery pack. It's going to give us two things: 25% more range. So we're going from 75 to 100 kilowatts. It also gives us more usable range. So for those of you that actually took the battery class earlier, you do understand that you don't fully charge and don't fully discharge. So with a bigger battery pack, you get a larger window of usable power. Also what we're doing is the battery pack that's in it right now is rated at 350 volts at a full charge. We're going to put a 400 volt pack in it. So that means we have more performance. So talk about, can we hot rod an EV? Absolutely. We're doing it right now. Now there's two things that we're going to be doing. One of them is today, and one of them is probably next week. So since we are putting a bigger battery pack in this thing, that means this vehicle can now be upgraded with the motor system as well. The motors on these, this is what we call an LDU, a large drive unit from Tesla. This generation came between 2012 and 2022, I believe. Am I right? Okay, correct. 2020, I'm sorry. 2012 to 2020. I'm dyslexic. Bear with me. This is a base model. So the difference between the base and the sport is the inverter. Tesla used the same exact motor for both applications. They probably did that because of cost savings to do one sets of tooling versus two. So all that changes on this car is the inverter. So what we're going to be doing is adding a bigger battery pack, which will give us more usable power, more top-end performance, more voltage, and next week we're also going to be dropping in a performance inverter in this thing. This car will probably pick up about 200 horsepower. It's quite a bit. So I'll be closer to the 600 horsepower range. Right now we're down like the 400, low 400s. So boys, let's get started.
All right.
Just like that?
And just like that, battery swap done. James Madison High School.
So there you have it. We're at James Madison High School. Once again, here for a beautiful teachers conference. We did a successful battery swap on the Teslamino. Also showed off the dock. Had a bunch of really good productive sessions here. Like I see AV here is here as well. What'd you learn?
Well, we got a lot of positive feedback, and I'm really seeing that people are starting to accept the fact that EVs are here to stay and the conversions are on the up and rise.
Hey, like, subscribe to our channel, leave your comments down below. We'll catch you guys soon.